Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning, students. In this session, we are continue the last class information. Already in my last class, I clearly explained the formation of sp hybridization and sp2 hybridization along with the example. But today class, we are going to discuss one more hybridization, that is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. You know that very well. What is the sp3 hybridization? sp3 hybridization is nothing but one s orbital, 3 p orbital are intermixing to give 4 new hybrid orbital. 4 new hybrid orbital na, that is called sp3 hybridization. So sp3 hybridization enna oru s orbital 3 p orbital are intermixing to form 4 new hybrid orbital. 4 new hybrid orbital is nothing but 4 sp3 new hybrid orbital. 4 sp3 new hybrid orbital is formed. It's called sp3 hybridization. Actually, sp3 hybridizations of any molecule are commonly known as the tetrahedral hybridization. So why? Because tetrahedral hybridization if any one of the molecule can existed sp3 hybridization of central atom, obviously that molecule showing the tetrahedral manner, the or trigonal bipyramidal manner, tetrahedral manner the. So now tetrahedral manner that is called, this hybridization name is the tetrahedral hybridization or tetragonal hybridization, either tetrahedral or tetragonal hybridization. Tetrahedral hybridization, tetragonal hybridization. So one more time I repeated, sp3 hybridization is nothing but 1 s orbital and 3 p orbital are intermixing to give 4 sp3 identical new orbitals are formed. That is called sp3 hybridization. That is called sp3 hybridization, or also another name tetrahedral hybridization or tetragonal hybridization. Tetrahedral hybridization or tetragonal hybridization. Actually, sp3 hybridizations of any molecule without any lone pair of the electron, any one of the molecule are showing to the sp3 hybridization, that is the tetrahedral manner, and the bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. The 109 degrees 28 minutes. Epo the molecular absence of lone pair of electron, it's nothing but 0 lone pair of electron. If any central atom are showing sp3 hybridization, such kind of the molecule is always showing the tetrahedral shape. The tetrahedral shape, the bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. And one more important point, in the sp3 hybridization, s involvement, s orbital involvement only 25% and p orbital involvement 75%. So this is the most important bit. In sp3 hybridization, the involvement of the p orbital 75, the involvement of the s orbital 25%. Now the central atom showing the tetrahedral shape, the central atom showing tetrahedral shape. So here these all molecules are showing the central atom sp3 hybridization. Now we are going to discuss a few examples of sp3 hybridization. Number 1, methane, CH4. Here central atom is the carbon showing sp3 hybridization, and C2H6. Here also carbon showing sp3 hybridization, and NH3, nitrogen showing sp3 hybridization, water molecule are showing sp3 hybridization. Ellame central atom sp3 hybridization, but their shapes are differ because carbon in CH4 molecule, carbon is a central atom. There is no any lone pair of electron. There is no any lone pair of electron. It is the shape of the CH4 is a tetrahedral. But C2H6 also there is no any lone pair of electron. Also here tetrahedral shape, the tetrahedral shape. But ammonia molecule, in NH3 molecule, the central atom having one lone pair of electron, the central atom having the one lone pair of electron, the shape is changes from the tetrahedral to the pyramidal shape. But water molecule, two lone pair of electrons on the oxygen atom. Up NH from the tetrahedral manner they are converted into V shape. So very important part. But Ellame all of them has sp3 hybridization. All of them has the sp3 hybridization. But the shape is differ with a differentiation of the lone pair of electron on the central atom. Now first example discussed, CH4. The best example is CH4. Now here carbon atomic number is 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So s orbital in the valency shell, s orbital 2 electrons are there, p orbital also 2 electrons are there. But now how many hydrogens are approaching to the carbon? There are 4 hydrogens are approaching to the carbon. But here how many lone pair of the electrons? Only 2 lone pair of electrons present in the carbon. So carbon ready to donate, ready to bond formation with 2 electrons. But 4 hydrogens are approaching up NH carbon. This s orbital is a ground state electronic configuration. In the ground state electronic configuration, NH 2s2, 2p2, the 2 unpaired electron, 1 pair of electron. But carbon can arrange the 4 unpaired electron. Up NH in the excited state, from 2s orbital, this electron jump to the p orbital. This electron jump to the p orbital. Uppo s orbital has only 1 electron. P orbital 3 electrons are there. Px, py, pz. Now this 1s orbital, this 3p orbital are intermixing. Now this is s orbital, 3p orbital are intermixing. Now this spherically shaped s orbital, and this is 1p orbital, this is 1p orbital, this is 1p orbital. So there are 3p orbital with s orbital intermixing. 4 new hybrid orbitals are formed. This is one hybrid orbital, this is one hybrid orbital, this is one hybrid orbital, this is one hybrid orbital. There are 4 new hybrid orbitals are formed on the carbon. After that, every hydrogen has one s orbital with 1 electron. So that is a spherical shape. So now right now here, this spherical shape orbital is represented to the hydrogen orbital. So one sp3 orbital, one more sp3 orbital, one more sp3 orbital, this is one more sp3 orbital. Every sp3 hybrid orbital connected with hydrogen s orbital, the hydrogen s orbital. So it is spherically shaped. Upon look like as the tetrahedral manner is arranged. Tetrahedral manner is arranged. Because of carbon, there is no any lone pair of the electron. Carbon, there is no any lone pair of the electron. Only bond pairs are there. So carbon can arrange 4 sp3 hybrid orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sp3 hybrid orbital along with 4 hydrogen having 4 s orbital. So, one sp3 hybrid orbital, one s orbital are connected together to form sigma bond. So, CH4, it's form 4 sigma bond. See now, right now here, this is a carbon. Here hydrogen is connected. Here hydrogen is connected. Here hydrogen is connected. Here hydrogen is connected. The bond to bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. 109 degrees 28 minutes. The shape of the molecule is called tetrahedral shape. This is the sp3 hybridization in CH4. So now what is the shape of the methane molecule? Tetrahedral manner. Because of what is the reason? There is no any lone pair of electron, only bond pair of electron. So that's why it show the regular shape. That's why it show the regular shape. So I successfully completed 3 different type of hybridization: sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, and also sp3 hybridization. So now we are going to discuss determination of hybridization on central atom. How to calculate the hybridizations of the central atom? How to calculate hybridization of the central atom? Now here formula: hybridization is equal to half into V plus M minus C plus A. V plus M minus C plus A. Here V is nothing but on central atom valence electron. M is nothing but monovalent atom. A surrounded central atom, monovalent atom is there or not. And C is nothing but cationic species. A is nothing but anionic species. So the total this value, hybrid orbital value, maybe 2 is coming now, that is sp hybridization. 3 is coming now, that is called sp2 hybridization. And 4 is coming now, that is sp3 hybridization. 5 is coming now, that is called sp3d hybridization. 6 is coming now, sp3d2 hybridization. 7 is coming now, that is sp3d3 hybridization. sp3d3 hybridization. It's a clear ma? Okay ma. Now we are going to discuss another important part. If any one of the molecule, it may be lone pair of electrons are present, what is the shape? Without lone pair of the electron, what is the shape? Now we are going to discuss in this particular area. But ultimately, how to determination of the hybridization concept? Basic formula: half into V plus M minus C plus A. V plus M minus C plus A. So this is the hybridization of any central atom can calculated by half into V plus M minus C plus A. Okay na? Now here see Nana carefully. One by one clearly observe. Sira, if hybrid orbital 2 irkana, the hybridization is sp hybridization. The most important point, 2 hybrid orbital, the hybrid orbital value is 2 na, hybridization name is the sp hybridization. In this case, 0 lone pair of the electron circa, 0 lone pair of the electron circa, sp hybridization, 0 lone pair of electron na, it is called linear shape. It is called linear shape, 180 degrees bond angle. The best example is beryllium dichloride. The best example is the beryllium dichloride. Now the hybrid orbital 3 irkana, it is nothing but 1 s orbital, 2 p orbital. 1 s orbital, 2 p orbital na. If maybe any one of the molecule showing sp2 hybridization with 0 lone pair of the electron, the shape of the molecule is the trigonal planar shape. It's called BF3 structure. Its the best example is boron trifluoride. Now sp2 hybridization with zero lone pair of the electron, sp2 hybridization with zero lone pair of the electron, such kind of the molecule are showing the trigonal planar shape. The best example is BF3. Now if sp2 hybridization with one lone pair of the electron, sp2 hybridization with one lone pair of the electron, such kind of the molecule are showing V-shaped. It is a changes from the trigonal planar to the V-shaped. So SnCl2, SnCl2 the best example. Even BF3, SnCl2 both of them is showing sp2 hybridization. But in BF3 point of view, only zero lone pair of electron, that's why it show the trigonal planar. But if SnCl2 stannous contain one lone pair of the electron, so it is a V-shaped molecule. Okay ma? Now if the hybrid orbital is 4 number, hybrid orbital is a 4 na, ஒரு s orbital 3p orbitals are இருக்கு. 4 hybrid orbital na, ஒரு s orbital 3p orbital. Now if any one of the molecule showing sp3 hybridization with zero lone pair of the electron, that molecule are showing the tetragonal shape or tetrahedral shape. The tetragonal shape or tetrahedral shape. The best example is the methane molecule, because I already discussed this one. Methane molecule, there is no any lone pair of the electron, zero lone pair of electron, எல்லாமே bond pair of the electrons is there. That's why the methane molecule can show tetrahedral manner or tetragonal structure shape, the tetragonal shape. But some of the molecule has sp3 hybridization with one lone pair of electron. This is the most important. sp3 hybridization with one lone pair of the electron. Such kind of the molecule, there changes from the shape from tetrahedral manner to the pyramidal shape. So the best example NH3, because one lone pair of electrons are present here, there changes to pyramidal shape to tetrahedral manner to the pyramidal shape. But hybridization is same. The hybridization is same, but one lone pair of electrons present here na, so lone pair to bond pair romba repulsion forces irukku, hence the shape of the molecule changes from the tetrahedral shape to the pyramid, tetrahedral shape to the pyramidal shape. The best example is the NH3 molecule. Now if sp3 hybridization with two lone pair of the electron, sp3 hybridization with two lone pair of the electron, such kind of the molecule are showing V-shaped. sp3 hybridization, but two lone pair of electrons are present na, the repulsion forces in between lone pair of electron to bond pair of electron more is there. That's why the molecular shape changes from the tetrahedral manner to the V shape. The best example is water molecule. And one more example, sp3 hybridization with 3 lone pair of electron. sp3 hybridization with 3 lone pair of electron na, hydrogen halide HF, HCl, HBr, HI ellame linear shape, but hybridization is sp3, but lone pair of electrons are 3. The 3 lone pair of electrons and they are showing to the linear shape. So most important key point right now here, some molecule are showing same kind of the hybridization, but their shapes are differ depending on the number of the lone pair of electron. Depends on the number of the lone pair of electron. In case sp3 hybridization, zero lone pair of electron na, tetrahedral manner, example CH4, one lone pair of electron na, pyramidal shape, example NH3, two lone pair of electron na, V shape, water molecule, 3 lone pair of the electron na, linear shape, hydrogen halide da. Okay ma? So this is the important part in the hybridization concept point of view. Now sp3 dehybridization. If any one of the molecule are showing sp3 hybridization without any lone pair of electron, such kind of the molecule are showing trigonal bipyramidal shape. The best example is the PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. So sp3 dehybridization, zero lone pair of the electron, the molecule showing trigonal bipyramidal shape. If sp3d hybridization with one lone pair of the electron, that kind of the molecule are showing seesaw shape. The most important, it changes from the trigonal bipyramidal to the seesaw shape. The best example is sulfur tetrafluoride, SF4. The next, if sp3d hybridization with two lone pair of the electron, the shape of the molecule is the T-shaped molecule. The best example IF3, the iodine trifluoride. Now sp3d hybridization with three lone pair of the electrons, it is showing the linear shape. So xenon difluoride, it's the most important compound, xenon difluoride. So sp3d hybridization, zero lone pair of electron trigonal bipyramidal, one lone pair of electron seesaw shape, two lone pair of electron T shape, three lone pair of electron linear shape. Similarly, sp3d2 hybridization, zero lone pair of electron square bipyramidal shape, SF6 or another name octahedral shape. And one lone pair of electron circana square pyramidal shape. The best example ICL5. Two lone pair of electrons square planar XeF4. Because of sp3d2 hybridization with two lone pair of the electron, it's showing to a square planar structure. And last and final, sp3d3. So sp3d3 molecule without any lone pair of electron, pentagonal bipyramidal. Without any lone pair of electron, pentagonal bipyramidal. It's the IF7 best example. With one lone pair of the electron, pentagonal pyramidal. Pentagonal pyramidal shape. The best example XeF6. These are the hybridization shapes with along with the lone pair of the electron. In my next class, we are going to discuss another concept of chemical bonding. Okay, ma? Good.